So last week, a judge rejected the governor's ban on mask mandates. So for now, school districts can require students to wear masks. Today, I asked the governor about the data he's looking at when he's making these decisions.
The fourth wave in Florida has led to shortages of hospital beds, staff, and at times, oxygen. Tonight, a sliver of good news. Federal data analyzed by the Florida Hospital Association shows there's been a nearly 10% drop in the number of COVID hospitalizations in the past 7 days. Governor DeSantis says this is likely the impact of the state's 21 monoclonal antibody treatment sites.
We're over 30,000 treatments in the state of Florida.
Critics allege the governor pushed the treatment more vocally than the vaccine. He's come under fire for banning mask mandates in schools, too.
You know, it is a low risk. It remains a low risk for students.
The governor says the data shows while the Delta variant is more contagious, it's not more dangerous for children. With some in the medical community split on this, in Tampa today we asked Governor DeSantis what data he's using to make these decisions.
Would you tell me specifically what data you're looking at, and would you change course and possibly support a mask mandate if the data calls for it?
So here's the question about Delta and the kids. So the American Academy of Pediatrics recently acknowledged that they're seeing that there's no evidence that they've seen that Delta is more impactful on kids than the prior variants.
The vice chair of the Committee on Infectious Diseases for the American Academy of Pediatrics recently said there's no evidence the Delta variant is causing more severe disease than previous strains. The CDC director has also said the hospitalization rates that we're seeing with children are similar to prior surges.
But you know, as these new things come, I mean, parents understandably have questions, but we've not seen any major changes in terms of that. Not saying people can't test positive, but in terms of this being materially different from the COVID that we've seen so far, that has fortunately not been the case.
And so the governor did not answer the second part of the question about whether he's open to changing course should the data call for it. Meantime, in the school mask lawsuit trial, a witness for the plaintiffs claimed the Delta variant does lead to more severe illness for all ages.
Well, Mahsa, the governor did reference the CDC and the American Academy of Pediatrics. So what's their stance on masking children in school?
Keith, both organizations recommend universal indoor masking by all students aged 2 and older.